Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic, and today we're going to show you how to replace your headlights and your turn signals in your GMT-800 truck. Now that's Chevy or GMC full size from 99 to 2009. This is our 99 Silverado, and I've already removed the grill, but I'll show you how to do that after this. But what we're going to do is show you how to remove and replace your headlights and your turn signals, or just be able to get them out so you can go ahead and replace the bulbs if you need to. So the first thing you need to do is remove the grill. Obviously, we've already removed the grill, but right here is how you do it. So here is the main part you need to worry about. These clips right here. You can see up on the top here, when I put a Phillips head screwdriver into there, I can rotate this clip. You can see right there, that little clip comes undone when I rotate it. You see that? So you need to rotate it until it stops. Now it would allow that part to pull loose. We have to loosen the rest of it to get them all out. Now there's one up here. The other one is right over here. So we're going to unlock that one. Now down here by the headlight, there is one more. So just turn it until you feel it unlock. And then over here, there's one more. Turn it until you feel it unlock. Now it's all unlocked. All you need to do now is right here, there is a 10 millimeter that you need to take out. So we're going to go ahead and take that one out. It looks like whoever owned this truck before us might have stripped that out. So be careful with that. That's actually really hot right now because of that. Now everything is undone. Over here on the corners, on either side, there are two little spring clips that attach it. We're going to show you the way to get it off. So with the grill loose, you can just pull it back just like that. Sometimes it gets stuck a little bit harder and you kind of have to pop it out a little bit. So now over here on the driver's side, so over here, there's another one, and it can be a little bit difficult to get that one out. You got to be careful that you don't mess up your headlights and stuff. But sometimes you can just grab the edge right around here and pull it back. Try not to be too rough with it. I think I might have been a little rougher than I should have been, but it didn't break anything. And you can see right there that little spring clip. That little spring clip goes in right there to that little hole. When you reinstall it, you have to put it right back in that clip. So the turn signal is really, really easy. It just has one little clip. You don't need to take any bolts out or any screws or anything like that. It just snaps into place. It's really easy. We'll show you. Back here, you can see it right there. See that little clip right there? What you need to do is push that in, and then you can pull it out. And then over here on this side, it slides into that bracket there. So what you do is you pinch that, pull that side out, and slide it to the right or the left, depending on which side you're on, and it'll come out. Once you get it out, you can go ahead and rotate these and remove them. You have to find the sweet spot for where it comes out. There's little notches in there. That line up. These have a little clip right here that you need to push in. And when you push it in, it'll allow you to rotate it and take it off. There you go. So once it's off, you can go ahead and reinstall your new one. To reinstall your new one, all you do is line up the notches on here with here. Snap them back in place. That was already broken. It just snapped the rest of it off, but it was already broken, I promise. And whoever had this truck before us was a little bit not careful with things. With those on, this notch right here goes into this lower notch. Not this one up here, this one right down here. So you put that edge down in there. This little post here will sit in this notch. Once it's in there, line up this clip on this side with that hole. And now it just pops right back in. Now for the headlight, it's a little bit different. Up here, there's these little L brackets. Now these unhook and rotate off and slide in and out. Now what you're going to do is remove both of those. And when you remove both of those completely, slide them all the way out, this whole assembly will fall out and you can access the bulb connections. Just set these off to the side so you don't lose them. Hold this so it doesn't fall out. Now it just comes right out. And on the back side here, the same thing. You can rotate these, align them up with the notches, and you can remove this. To reinstall it, it's the same as you took it out. Line up the bulbs, the notches in the bulbs with the housing, rotate them down to lock them in. Careful you don't scratch your paint right here. I'm not really too worried because this thing is mangled anyway. Now get it back in there and line up the holes up on top here with the ones in the bottom. And you can slide in your post all the way down. Might need to wiggle it just a little bit to get it all seated in there, but it all snaps back in place, and now it's installed. So everything on the front of this truck is really easy to get off. Obviously I didn't put the grill back on this because I am stripping this truck for parts and I'm not too worried about putting it back on and wasting time. You guys know how easy it is to get back on. It's just the reverse of the way you took it off. Now, you could take the headlight off without removing the grill, which is pretty easy. Just on the top, slide it out, no big deal. The bottom one, you have to take the grill out to get to. And that's also how you replace your turn signal bulbs if you need to do those. If there's anything else you'd like to learn about, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more how-tos and all of our shows. We'll see you guys next time.